Are you tired of spending money on Apex skins? Here's how you can unlock every cosmetic in the game without paying a single cent. First, let's clear something up. Every skin on Apex is technically free, but it takes time and planning. Step 1. Play consistently. Every level you hit up to 500 drops Apex packs, which give you crafting medals to unlock skins directly. Step 2. Use event and collection events wisely. Even if you don't buy packs, you can grab free event packs and limited time cosmetics just by completing challenges. Step 3. Don't waste your crafting materials. Prioritize legendary or epic skins that you really want. Never spend them on banners or trackers early. Always save for skins because those rotate and are harder to get later. And also, skins look so much cooler. I've been unlocking skins like this since day one, and trust me, the grind pays off. Stick to the plan, stay consistent, and you'll start stacking legendary skins before you know it. Try this approach in your next season and watch your collection grow for free.